Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to export your video to Final Cut Pro on Gling AI. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are just getting started with Gling AI. So be sure to stick around. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved here, guys, but let's go ahead and get started. Now we're going to go ahead and access this example project here. And once you're actually done editing your video on this left-hand side, the next thing that you're going to do is click on this export button here and then click on export to FCP. So once you do this, you're actually going to go ahead and get a .fcp XML file, which once you actually open that up, if you have Final Cut Pro installed on your laptop or computer, it's automatically going to open up in Final Cut Pro X. So again, all you got to do is click on this export button and then click on FCP, and then this video file will actually export it as a FCP XML file, which you can use to open up in Final Cut Pro X. But this right here, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and export your Gling AI file to Final Cut Pro X. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.